What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. I am here with Al today, and we have a 1968 Plymouth Road Runner.
Boy, look at this black beauty. I mean, gosh, the paint on the car is just exceptional. It is a 383 numbers matching motor. The car wasn't automatic when it was born, but now it is a 4-speed. The man that owned it just babied it. If you get close and you like, I have pictures of it all wrapped up in the man's garage. Fill lines, fill tank, sending unit all been redone because the car was sitting, so she purrs like a kitten. She is the real deal. It is a real Roadrunner, which you can verify off the VIN plate tag. It is not a clone, and it does have the right motor. So we'll take it for a quick spin. I mean, just looking at it, what you see is what you get, and that's you know, buying cars like this all the time, especially that never been to the auction, haven't been through all the different types of wholesalers. Look at that thing, vent seat, full dashboard, all in its proper look, all in its proper position. Non-smoker car she got. So we'll take her for a quick little spin. Speedo works, stereo works, and then we'll get up on the hoist because the bottom of the car is even nicer than the top.
All right, sounds good.
And the fit and trim on this car is really good too. And I look at the cracks. I don't know if they could hear how that door closed.
For
a lot
sure.
of the Chrysler product back in the day just had a real bad fit and body. This car is super nice on its joints.
Cool.
So come on, let's take her for a quick little spin.
All right. Taking the Plymouth Road Runner for a spin. Just taking her through the garage real quick here.
Yep, we'll get her up on the surface street, go through the gears. Gotta tell you what, I mean, this is hard to find something as crisp as this car is. Look at the dashboard, everything fits. Speedo works, temperature gauge, volt regulator. She just kind of purrs like a kitten. So we're gonna go through the gears. Get her on the expressway, I mean the roadway, and then we'll get underneath it so you can see how that's even better than the top. Nice brakes too, really responsive brakes.
Super clean.
I'll take the headliners too.
Yep. All right, we were backed up behind a couple cars.
All right, so here we go. About as smooth as ice, I gotta tell you.
Absolutely.
Nice.
Super smooth.
Obviously, we're gonna stop again. Nice steady on the speedometer.
It's got a nice rumble, but it's not overly loud.
Yeah, it's just
obnoxious.
Right, it's just what you would hope for.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go again. How nice the steering wheel is too now. Just goes down as straight as there. You put the brakes on, doesn't pull.
Yep. We like that.
Blinker indicator works in the dash too.
Yep.
Windshield wipers work, so do the bright lights and the indicator. So we'll spin her around here and then get her up on the white so you can show that part of it off.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thanks, Nyla.
Thank you.